welcome to Dinah's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my videos, guys, consider to subscribe to my channel, guys.
Cooking seafood boiler sauce. This is what I'm using. I'm going to use for unsalted stick of butter, garlic butter herb, minced garlic herb seasoning, smoked paprika, seafood seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, or you can use a pepper seed, pinch of brown sugar, lemon juice. You can use a little chicken broth in your sauce to give it a nice flavor.
This is the minced garlic and herb. Put a teaspoon and a half of my garlic herb.
That's the minced garlic. The seasoned minced garlic with herb.
So now I'm gonna add all my powder season. I will leave everything in the description box.
So now, guys, we're gonna pour some lemon juice. Lemon juice.
I like to use it when I'm making my seafood boil sauce.
This water